Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll discuss only about Bitcoin. It's been some time since I had a video only about Bitcoin. My main focus was to analyze the price of many altcoins, and you can check my channel and see what I'm talking about. But at the end of every analysis, you will see that I provide an update about Bitcoin status, because as you well know, Bitcoin has an influence on all crypto space. If you guys like the content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It helps a lot this channel to grow, and it helps in YouTube algorithm. You can give this video a thumbs up, and you can leave a comment into the comment section down below. Okay, so let's get started. Today it is 21 May 2024, and right now Bitcoin, it is at about 69.8k. Since I had my last video only about Bitcoin started to move in this descending channel, and we have some testing at the superior side and at the inferior side, and many times I adjust this channel because of the Bitcoin's price movements. And as you can see here, we had this all-time high that was about 73.8k, almost 74k on 15 March 2024, and since then Bitcoin started to approach this level on 8th April 2024. Here we have a high of 72.7k, and recently, as you can see here today, we have a high of 71.9k. So many attempts was to retest the previous all-time high. For now, nothing had success. We will see in the near future what might happen. Maybe it will be tested again, and if this will be tested, I believe that two things can happen. If the price movement after retesting the 73.8k will go downwards, we'll have basically a double top, and this is a bearish signal. And if the price will exceed the previous all-time high, this is, from my point of view, a bullish signal, and I believe that Bitcoin will establish a new all-time high somewhere around 80k. I don't know if this will be possible. I discuss here only possibilities. This is not a financial advice. Be very careful where you put your money. You should do a proper research before investing. These are my personal opinions, my personal thoughts, and that's all. And since I made my last video, as I said, the Bitcoin moves in this descending channel, and recently, a few days ago, on 15 May, we had this big pump that it is almost 7.5%, only the body of this candle, and break the 50 daily simple moving average and retested as a support this time in the next day. And after that we have a pump. We have this big candle that was put it yesterday, 20 May 2024. Only the body of this candle, it is plus 7.75%, and I believe this is very interesting because, as you can see here, this candle went above this descending channel that I put it here a few months ago, and right now it's testing as a support. As I said in my previous video, if you watch my analysis on other tokens, when we were below 67k or something, I said that the next target could be 69 or even 70k, the superior side of this descending channel, and if the Bitcoin will break it, I believe that it has a lot of chances to retest the previous all-time high that was almost 74k, and I think that it still has some big chances to retest the previous all-time high, if you ask me. As you can see, today we had a bearish movement. The candle today, it is red, and it is minus 2.7% as we talk right now. It is not such a big decrease in price. The high today, it was around 71.9k, so almost 72k. I still think that after testing this superior side of this channel, can retest the previous all-time high, and after that it will be a critical point to see where the price will go, above the previous all-time high or below. There are only two possibilities. I don't think that we will see a sideways movement like we saw since let's see, since the beginning of March this year. This is basically a sideways movement. It is a descending channel, but nothing interesting happened here if we exclude the all-time high. So this is the situation. Okay, and Bitcoin dominance, as you saw in my previous videos, it is at a pretty high level. It was in a bull run for over a year and a half or something, we will see the chart over here, and let's put it BTC point D, and we have here Bitcoin market cap dominance in percent. And over the last 2 days we have a drop, but let's look on weekly and see the bigger picture. And as you can see here, Bitcoin dominance, it is basically in a bull run since late November 2022, so it is in a continuous increase. Let's look also on stochastic RSI and RSI here on weekly. I think that stochastic RSI and RSI still have much room to grow, and if they will go in the overbought area, basically we'll have a big increase in Bitcoin dominance, and most altcoins, I believe, that will drop significantly. Everybody will feel this if they invested heavily in altcoins. This is the reality. I put it here also, this superior side at 58%. This was the bottom of Bitcoin's dominance in August 2020. This is a resistance from my point of view, and if this will be broken, I believe that altcoins will have to suffer, unfortunately. This is the reality. Okay, and let's look also on total tree, that it is total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, and right now it is at almost 700 billion US dollars. So it is at a level that was also in 19 April 2021. And if I remember correctly, in that period of time, most altcoins were in bull market, most altcoins exploded. We are in the altcoin season and everybody was happy. Why don't we have a similar situation right now? Everybody waits an explanation. My theory it is that we can look on other similar chart, and I provided an info to the previous videos. I put it, even a link into the description down below, and I'll put it here today, the last time, because it is pretty old. It is more than 2 months, but you can find there some valuable information. The analysis on that day was made on the graph GRT, but the last 7 minutes of this video were dedicated to this kind of stuff, and I believe it will be interesting to see. I'll put a link into the description down below and you can check this video. Okay, and as you can see here, Bitcoin has the majority of the market cap. It is 1.37 trillions, more than 1.37 trillions US dollars. And after that we have Tether at 111.3 billion US dollars as market cap, and after that it is followed by USDC, 33.2 billion US dollars. So these two major stable coins, USDC and USDT, has a big chunk of money. Okay, and if we look on total tree minus USDT minus USDC, so if we exclude these stable coins from the market, as you can see, the chart, it is pretty similar. It is not such a big difference, only the price it is different. We have here 555 billion US dollars. So this is the market cap of the crypto space excluding Bitcoin, Ethereum, and those two major stable coins, USDT and USDC. But if this will be divided on Bitcoin, we will see basically the reality. So all we have here, it is the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, Ethereum, and those two major stable coins, USDT and USDC, and all reported to the Bitcoin. You will see that this candle chart moves in this channel since let's see, since April 2023. And here we have a resistance that it is 0.48. You can see right here. What represents this? This represents the bottom established on 6 June 2022, tested here as a support, and after that went above. We have a bounce from this level, tested a few more times here in April and March 2023, and after multiple testing it went below. This chart, it is on weekly, as you can see here. So it took some long time before going to this channel. Okay, so we are about in the middle of this channel. If all this total tree minus USDT minus USDC all divided by Bitcoin will go downwards, that means that Bitcoin perform better against altcoins. But if we broke this superior side at this 0.48, I believe that altcoins can have better days to see. Basically, I'm waiting and see what could happen. This is an important level of resistance right now, but I'm pretty sure that this will be broken. I don't know when, nobody knows. This is just my personal opinion. I believe that we will have another altcoin season at the end of this year, 2024, or maybe in the first half of 2025. Nobody knows 100%, but as you can see here, when altcoin season started, it was here in the beginning of 2021 when we had this bullish momentum, and we have this dip established in May 2021. After that, we had that mini bear market, that summer that I think that everybody remembers it. After that, Bitcoin started to pump again and establish a new all-time high at about 69k, and after that altcoins increased also in price. Clearly you can see here from this chart, and after that followed the bear market, that long bear market till the end of 2022. So I think that it is important to look out on this formula and see what it is the movement in this channel, if we'll retest the superior side like it did here in December 2023, and we will see what will happen. That's why we didn't have by now the altcoin season, because the Bitcoin dominance, because Bitcoin attracts most money in this market. As you can see here, today we were at almost 72k, but altcoins didn't perform so well. Most of them. I don't know, maybe you will have an example of altcoins that performed, and I don't know. Leave some comments into the comment section down below and tell me an example of altcoins that had a big pump over the last couple of days or today. I'm very curious about this. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me to my video. Thank you all that are staying from the beginning to the end. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. It is very important for me and for YouTube algorithm. I sincerely thank you all for your support. Until next time, be well and see you soon. Take care.